Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget squat racks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Fonbear Squat Rack. If you're looking for an ultra budget-friendly squat rack to get started with your home gym, this is an excellent choice. Priced at just $99.89, it's the most affordable option on our list, yet surprisingly versatile. The Fonbear stand is fully adjustable, allowing you to customize the height and width to suit your workout needs. Whether you're doing squats, bench presses, or pull-ups, this rack has you covered. The design is compact and space-saving, making it ideal for smaller home gyms. It's constructed from high-quality steel and can support a maximum load of 550 pounds, which is impressive for its price range. However, the lightweight construction, only about 13.36 kilograms, means it might feel less stable during higher-intensity workouts. Beginners will appreciate the straightforward assembly process and the included safety catches, which enhance overall usability. While the Fonbear offers great value for its price, it's not without limitations. Advanced users might find the maximum weight capacity limiting, and the stability could be improved. That said, it's perfect for beginners or those looking for a compact solution. With a 3-year warranty, this squat rack is a great starting point for your fitness journey. At number 4, we have the King Kang Adjustable Squat Rack. This squat rack offers a solid balance of affordability and functionality, making it a great option for intermediate users. Priced at $115.99, it features a 13-position height adjustment system, ranging from 33.8 to 65.5 inches. Along with 6-level width adjustments. This level of customization ensures that it can accommodate users of different body types and various exercises, including squats, bench presses, and more. The build quality is robust, with a weight capacity of up to 690 pounds. The sturdy alloy steel construction and non-slip pads ensure stability, even during intense workouts. The adjustable bumpers are a thoughtful addition, allowing you to safely rest your barbell when switching movements. However, at 17.51 kilograms, the rack is a bit heavier than some other options, which contributes to its stability but might make it less portable. The King Kang rack is ideal for those who want more versatility and a higher weight capacity without breaking the bank. While it's slightly bulkier than the Fonbear, its added features and durability make it a worthwhile investment for small to medium home gyms. On the downside, its assembly instructions could be clearer, and some users have reported minor issues with paint durability. Overall, it's a great mid-range choice for serious home fitness enthusiasts. Coming in at number 3 is the Cap Barbell Power Rack. Known for its reliability and simplicity, this squat rack is a versatile option designed for both beginners and advanced users. With a maximum weight capacity of 500 pounds, it's suitable for a range of exercises, from squats to bench presses. The built-in bar and weight storage is a convenient touch, making it easy to keep your workout area organized. The rack is made from 11 and 12-gauge steel tubing, which ensures durability and stability. The powder coat finish adds a layer of protection against wear and tear, so you can expect this rack to last for years. At 46 inches wide and 85 inches high, it's compact enough for most home gyms while still feeling sturdy during workouts. However, at 60 pounds, it's lighter than some other racks in this category, which might make it less stable for very heavy lifts. The Cap Barbell Power Rack is ideal for users who want a no-frills, reliable squat rack that gets the job done. Its main drawbacks are the relatively low weight capacity compared to higher-end models and the lack of advanced adjustability features. Nonetheless, with a strong build and solid user reviews, it earns its spot as a dependable mid-tier option. At number 2, we have the HulkFit Multifunctional Pro Series Power Cage. This squat rack is a beast when it comes to durability and versatility, offering a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds. It's designed for serious lifters who want a comprehensive solution for their home gym. The power cage includes 2 pull-up bars, multiple J-hooks, spotter arms, weight plate holders, and resistance band pegs, making it a one-stop shop for full-body workouts. Constructed from high-quality alloy steel, the HulkFit rack is built to withstand intense training sessions. Its bright yellow and black design adds a vibrant touch to your workout space, and the 80.5-inch height ensures it can accommodate users of all sizes. The rack also supports additional attachments, like a cable pulley system, further expanding its functionality. However, its 110-pound weight and larger dimensions make it less portable and more suited to permanent setups. The HulkFit Pro Series Power Cage is perfect for advanced lifters who want a gym-quality experience at home. The high weight capacity and wide range of features justify its premium price tag. However, beginners might find it overwhelming, and the assembly process can be time-consuming. For those looking to invest in a long-lasting, feature-packed squat rack, this is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Pasu Adjustable Squat Rack. This heavy-duty squat rack is a premium option for those who want top-notch build quality and versatility. With a maximum load of 550 pounds and a sleek, modern design, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced lifters. The rack features a 2x2-inch steel tube frame, ensuring excellent stability and durability during high-intensity workouts. The Pasu rack stands out for its versatility. It includes adjustable height settings to accommodate different users and exercises, such as squats, bench presses, dips, and push-ups. The compact design and retractable middle connecting tube make it ideal for smaller spaces, taking up just 0.62 square meters. The addition of push-up bars and protective spotters enhances its functionality, allowing for a well-rounded workout experience. While the Pasu rack is the most expensive on our list at $199.99, its quality justifies the price. The assembly process is straightforward, and the professional customer service adds peace of mind. The only downside is its slightly lower weight capacity compared to the HulkFit, but for most users, this will not be an issue. Overall, if you're looking for a premium, space-saving solution for your home gym, the Pasu rack is unbeatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.